The supercyclonic storm Ampha is expected to make landfall in West Bengal over the Sundarbans in the afternoon or evening of May the 20th, as a very severe cyclonic storm with wind speeds of about 155 to 165 km per hour, gusting to 180 km per hour. West Bengal, Odisha states and Bangladesh are bracing for impact of the storm, which is expected to cause extensive damage. The two eastern Indian states have been evacuating people from vulnerable areas, an exercise which was a greater challenge this time as it is carried out amid the COVID-19 pandemic, necessitating social distancing to be abided by as well. Authorities say they were successful in conducting swift evacuations, keeping in mind the necessary guidelines. The National Disaster Management Authority geared up its resources to respond to the twin emergencies, cyclone at the time of COVID. As per the NDMA's directions, first-line responders like police, State Disaster Response Force, all volunteers engaged in relief work will have to be provided by PPE kits along with N95 masks. Cyclone-prone states like Odisha have a lot of multi-purpose cyclone shelters, but now they can be used to only 1/3 capacity because social distancing needs to be maintained. So states have been asked to identify new shelters and buildings. Ampha is likely to weaken into an extremely severe cyclonic storm when it makes landfall, and it is expected to cause extensive damage to Kacha houses. Some damage to old buildings can also be expected, large-scale disruption of power and communication lines, as well as destruction of crops, disruption of rail and road traffic due to extensive flooding. Potential threat from flying debris can be expected, and large-scale uprooting of trees, especially palms. If you are in the path of the cyclone, then be sure you remain indoors throughout the duration of the powerful storm. Secure any loose objects, windows and doors. Make provisions for people with special diets like children and elderly at least for a day or two. And stay alert to official warnings. In case of power cuts, keep emergency lights and batteries handy. And most importantly, stay calm. This storm too shall pass.